Hey, it's Krista with WTI. If you want to elevate your cooking game, look no more. The Soeos Himalayan pink salt and rainbow peppercorn are the seasonings that will take any dish that you make to the next level. The Himalayan pink salt is incredible. It's so much richer and more nuanced than a regular iodized salt. It has this wonderful purity and subtle mineral taste that really enhances the natural flavors of my fruits and vegetables. And the rainbow peppercorns, wow. The blend of black, white, green, and pink peppercorn really is a vibrant aromatic punch. I just love the way the different types of peppercorn come together to create a burst of fresh, spicy, and slightly fruity aroma that takes all of my recipes to the next level. The grinder refills are super easy to use and they fit perfectly into my existing grinder. I appreciate that they come in airtight containers, which are going to keep the spices fresh and flavorful until I'm finished using them. So if you're looking to upgrade your pantry staples and impress your taste buds, I highly recommend the Soeos Himalayan pink salt and rainbow peppercorn grinder refills. And that's my point of view.